Hi and welcome to OPSRACE training program. In this episode, we'll look at another technique to squash the changes. So now we can see here our local pointer is 3 commits ahead. So S1, S2 and S3 were added. And we want to merge all these commits. So it's simple. Git REBASE. We have already used this command with -i, which is interactive, and I want to select this hash of the commit. I will paste here. I will put a tilde sign. This is important. Without this, it may not work as per the expectation. Tap here so we can see here all the commits. So I want to pick S1. In order to make change here, press I so that insert mode is enabled. Okay, you can see here the insert mode is enabled. Okay, and now I will go back to the zoomed view. Here we will just type squash. Also type here squash. So these are the changes we want to squash. This is the one I want to pick. Okay, now I will again come here and press the escape button. Let me do this. Escape colon, you can see at the bottom here, right, and quit. Okay, so it says this is the combination. I will again escape colon Q. I accept the change. If we see here, git log all, so all the changes are merged into S1. So if I wanted, I could have changed the title of this because it gave me the option, but I chose to accept whatever that change was. And now it's really simple. We can just do git push to the server. Okay, now if I look at the git log, we can see here both our master, local master and the remote master are pointing to S1 added. So previously we had 3 commits. Let me show you. S1, S2, S3. So we merged all of these 3 into one. So this was another way to squash your changes. I hope you like it. See you in the next lecture.
Please subscribe to our channel.